Welcome back to Quantreef.com. Bitcoin's trading around 77,093, sitting right under a cluster of resistance that's worth unpacking. We'll walk through liquidity, support and resistance, VWAP, Fibonacci, fair value gaps, positioning, and where this likely goes over the next few hours. Price is at 77,093, trading just below session VWAP at 77,551, which is also where the anchored high VWAP sits, so that's effectively one ceiling right now. The anchored low VWAP is weighed down at 73,170, so buyers from that swing still have room. Trend and volume layers are strong, but volatility is soft, so momentum reads mixed to neutral, price accepting just under value. The heat map fields are thin this round, but the structure around us does the talking. Above, we've got a stack of resistance targets building toward 84,263, and below, the 1-hour swing low near 76,603 is the nearest magnet. Markets tend to run toward these clusters first because that's where resting orders and stops concentrate, then react once that liquidity swept. On the panel right now, resistance above starts with target 1 at 77,896, then target 2 at 79,559, then target 3 up at 84,263. Support below sits at the 1H swing low, 76,603, with the stop-loss level just under it at 76,251. Given stop hunt risk is marked high, I'd expect a probe toward target 1 first, with a break of the swing low invalidating the near-term bullish red. No unfilled gaps sit above price, but below we've got 3 bullish fair value gaps stacked as magnets, one at 76,236 down to 75,786, another wider one from 76,500 to 73,400, and a third near 74,511 to 73,400. On the Fibonacci swing, price sits inside the range, close to the 0.382 at 73,215. Given the closer distance, price is more likely to react to the nearby fair value gap first before any fib test. The card grades this neutral, with N at 84 and HTS at 63. Trend and structure at 84.8, plus volume and liquidity at 87, are carrying the score, while statistical volatility at 43 and the macro and rotation layers sitting at 50 each are dragging it down. Retail and top account long percentages aren't printing this round, but the 4-hour taker split shows 57.9% short versus 42.1% long, meaning shorts are currently more aggressive and more exposed if price squeezes higher. With price pinned under session VWAP and target 1 at 77,896 just overhead, that's the first magnet worth watching. If buyers clear it, 79,559 comes into view next, and given shorts are carrying 57.9% of 4-hour taker flow, a push through there could trigger a short squeeze. If sellers defend instead, the 1-hour swing low at 76,603 is the level to watch, with the fair value gaps below near 76,236 acting as the next landing zone. Bullish case confirms above 77,896 targeting the mid-79,000s, it's invalidated back under 76,251. Bearish case builds on a clean break of 76,603, opening a path into those lower gaps. We're sitting right at a decision point, and whichever side clears its liquidity pool first likely dictates the next few hours. If this kind of breakdown helps, give it a like and subscribe. Quantreef.com runs this same 9-layer grade, probability, and liquidity read across 100+ coins, with a 7-day trial if you want to dig deeper. And as always, this is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.